Okay, guys. We also talk today about the weather. And as you know, we have different types of weather. So depending on the part that you live in Mexico or in the world, there are different types of weather, okay? And of course, if you live in Monterrey, you have to get used to the different changes in the weather that we have in one day. In one day could be cloudy, and then we can have sunny day, and on the same day could be hot, and then maybe at night could be kind of cold. Okay, it could be raining, and then and maybe in the afternoon could be with a clear sky. So let's review some vocabulary that can help us to understand the weather, and of course the activities on the English stories, and most of all the ones that comes on the next test that we are going to have. So when we talk about weather, it's important to review strong winds, storm, cloudy skies, fog in low areas. For example, when you go to Saltillo, you will most of the time we have a foggy weather during the travel. Okay, um, cold. It could be cold. We can have heavy rains. We can have a frosty. Frosty, it's like es algo parecido a que nieva, sí, pero es más que nada la pura pelucita, como le diríamos. Thunder and lightning, where is different a thunder from a lightning. Okay, remember Lightning McQueen is kind of similar. So some days when it rains, it could be thunder and also lightning, or sometimes one of them. Okay. It could be cool and dry. For example, today we have a cool weather, and also it was dry because it wasn't raining. Also, we can have a hurricane. Well, here in Mexico, we don't have the complete hurricane because we have mountains. We have the help of the mountains, okay? But in other places, there are big hurricanes, okay, that causes a lot of damage to the people, to the houses, etc. Also, we can have flooding. What's flooding? Do you remember what is happening on Tabasco? Okay, they have been flooding for about a month. Okay, unfortunately, they have been with those kind of problems. With those kind of problems, we can have clear skies. Like today, we have clear sky because there weren't any cloud. Okay, in the sky. We can have a warm sunshine or freezing winds like the ones in winter, or it could be freezing cold. We can have a light wind. Okay, also we can have a falling temperature. For example, last week we were like in 30 Celsius degrees approx, and during this week we have a fall in temperature because we begin in the morning with temperatures of 7 or 8 Celsius degrees. Now, in many parts of the world, we can have Celsius degrees. We can talk about the temperature with Celsius degrees. But just in the States, okay, in the States, there are Fahrenheit degrees, okay? For example, we can have 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and we can have 40 degrees Celsius approx, okay? Then if we are, for example, in the summer, okay, in summertime, we, for example, in August, in June, in July, okay, we can use, for example, we can use shorts or vest or t-shirts, okay, of course a hat, okay. If you are in the beach, you can use a swimming suit, a bikini, shorts, also a hat, okay, a sunblock, a suntan lotion, etc., sunscreen lotion, okay, summer clothes. But if it is winter, of course, we need a coat, we need a jacket, a sweater, we need a winter hat, okay. If it is raining, we need some rubber boots, we need a raincoat, we need an umbrella. Okay, so depending on the weather is how we're going to wear, right? Now, we also have more information about the weather. So, for example, talking about weather, we can remember, well, the word weather, okay? And also forecast. I didn't write forecast, but weather forecast es el estado del tiempo, okay? Y weather es el clima en sí, okay? So it's different. And we can see the weather channel to see how the weather is going to be today or maybe during the next 5 days, for example. Or also you can see on the TV, on the news, you can see the part when you can when we can check the weather. Okay, in every news, in every TV news, there is a specific space that talks about the weather. Okay. Of course, we need to get related to the sun. If it is a sunny day, okay, hot or heat, tempered and temperature, fog, foggy, cloudy, snow, rain, showery, shower, stormy, storm, lightning, heavy rain or electrical storm or thunderstorm. And also, if it is raining continuously, we can say that it's pouring. Okay, it's pouring. We also can work with breeze, thunder, rainy, humid, hailstone. Okay, sometimes we have a hailstone. Okay, when it rains, sometimes we have a hailstone. And we have a icy, cold wind and windy. Okay, and also with this picture, okay, we can review also the information. In the first one, we have a cloudy day. Okay, a kind of cloudy. Rain, drizzle, thunder, and sunny. Okay, then we have mild tempered or warm, or it could be hot, or we can have wind. Okay, strong winds or light winds, avalanche. Okay, also we can have a hurricane. Okay, cyclone. Okay, tsunami. That's another one, tsunami. Or we can have snowfall, storm, or lightning. Okay, sometimes when it rains, it could be followed by storm, okay, and lightning. Okay, so it's important that you review all this information, okay, because it comes on the exercise on the English Discoveries on Unit 4, but also there are some exercises that come on the test that talks about the weather.